Joy of Life is an authentic, organic and herbal clothing brand which has been conceptualized, developed and manufactured with a holistic vision to improve health and wellness of mankind following fair trade and good manufacturing practices at every stage. It's a brand for organic herbal lingerie, innerwear, yoga wear and kids wear, made in compliance with global organic textile standards with first of its kind patented, green, eco-friendly and a truly sustainable technology. Joy of Life has revived the ancient Indian wisdom of Ayurveda and Ayurvastra to develop organic clothing totally free of chemical and synthetic dyes which harm the skin and cause diseases and also ruin our environment. Using latest biotechnology applications wherein each and every garment manufactured by Joy of Life is processed with the goodness of neem and tulsi, commonly known as holy basil and apple cider vinegar. It's a universally acclaimed fact that these two ingredients have excellent antifungal and antimicrobial properties against the bad bacteria disturbing the human body's natural flora. Hence, this is a staple recipe for value-added treatment of each and every Joy of Life garment. Joy of Life is a low-carbon footprint, green and clean technology which shall earn carbon credits. It has been tested and perfected in IIT Delhi, India and already patented in USA, India and more pending at Europe and India. Your search for ultimate luxury wellness garments ends here. Joy of Life garments are soothing, durable, comfortable and hygienic with a healing touch for the most sensitive organs of the human body. The world is moving towards nature, adopting a holistic lifestyle spiritually, mentally and physically, not just in terms of food but clothing as well. Because skin, being the largest organ of a human body, is exposed to toxic chemicals and environment. PlanetGreenDiscovery.com says, working out strengthens your body, fortifies your bones and improves your immune system. But don't forget that as you sweat, your pores are opening, making you more prone to outside invaders slipping in through your skin. Problem is, many of the trendy exercise clothes are made from chemically treated fabric that, yes, when we sweat, can be purged. Why work so hard to be healthy, all the while swaddling ourselves with something so potentially unhealthy? Try Joy of Life garments, enriched with the healing properties of neem, tulsi and apple cider vinegar, which are universally known for enhancing body's natural resistance and healing powers effortlessly, eliminating exposure to toxic chemicals on our skin to maintain the ideal pH level of the skin naturally, providing active antifungal and antimicrobial protection 24/7 to the most sensitive organs of a human body. This may result in improved quality of life, possible chances of anti-aging, increased vigor and vitality due to hygiene, and will also have profound psychological impact on its users to use it time and again and make them feel younger and fit. Joy of Life, the ultimate luxury clothing, harmonizing mind, body and soul. Reasonably priced, real value for money.